Okay, now that we are going to create a PR and a PO. Okay, for that we need chart of account and GL accounts to be made, which will record the stock entries for raw material, semi-finished goods, and finished goods. And we'll change the company code AA42. And over here we have material accounts. Let's see. GRIR, purchase, accessories, raw material, inventory, increase, decrease in stock, price difference, purchase. We have all of these. Okay. And we have to check price difference, increase, decrease in stock. We also need we need a GRIR. Okay, we already have a GRIR account. And we can actually use these 7070 70,700 701 2 3 and 4. Okay, now let's go and check OBYC, the integration points. Now for integration points, inventory posting BSD, double click, AA42. Okay, valuation class is 3,000, debit 70,000, 70,000. Okay, save. AA42. AA42. Okay. Okay, next page down, inventory value adjustment, inventory postings BS6. Okay, 3,7920 we have. Now this is for raw material valuation class, and this is for finished goods 7920. Okay, so we have raw material and finished good. Okay, it's already done. Okay, purchase offsetting account, valuation class. Counts, save. Valuation class 3,000, purchase offsetting class 70,000, save. Okay, freight clearing, we don't need this right now. Purchase freight offsetting entry for inventory GBP. Okay, we have general modifiers. Now, what is account modification and what is valuation modification? Let's discuss this. Okay. F1, I'll share the help. Okay, key that has a different meaning depending on the business transaction. Now, business transaction can be consumption, can be GRN, can be stock transfer from one plant within a company code or within a different company code, which is used to differentiate account determination. So if it's very self-explanatory that if you're consuming it, then of course the account determination will be different. Okay. And the meaning is preset in the SAP system. So for consumption, the accounts will be different. For stock transfer from one plant to another plant within one company code will be a different account determination other than stock transfer from one plant to another plant which is operating under another company code. So for example, when making offset entries for inventory postings, you enter the key which is assigned to the transaction type and posting string. Okay, so it's the same thing that I've just explained. Okay, save, it's already saved and it's already maintained for only raw materials. We don't need to actually exchange rate differences and differences. Okay, we are not actually going into that right now. MWS, this is for taxation. Okay, tariff material ledger for low levels price difference, gain loss from revaluation. We will have to maintain these valuations. Okay. Okay. Uh, okay. Purchase input tax, GRIR clearing account, and it's already there. Valuation modification. Now, what is valuation modification? Let me tell you that also. Okay. Now indicates a grouping of valuation areas. Valuation areas is your plant to facilitate the administration of the table of standard accounts by minimizing the number of entries. Okay. It's a grouping of valuation. So your valuation modification is basically collection of your plants, basically. For what plant are you configuring this? Together with other factors, the valuation grouping code determines GL accounts to which a goods movement is posted automatic account determination. So you are basically determining how goods will be moved through which accounts. That is valuation modification. Okay, so that being done, now we can easily create a PR. We've already created some scenarios, logistics, materials, purchasing. I believe we created a contract. Let's start with request for quotation. Change RFQ. Let's search for our RFQ. Now, purchase organization is 8842. Start search. Oh, how is that possible? Okay. 8842, we created an RFQ, I guess. Purchasing document. Request for quotation. Okay. And it's so very difficult to know. Okay. Was it this one? RFQ? Okay, 390. Okay, luckily we actually got this. 30,000 is the material. RFQ is this. Let's copy this. And this is the RFQ that was made. And enter. This is maintain of quotation. Delivery date is 20th. We are still at 18th. So this is still valid. Save. Okay, now from quotation, we'll go to purchase. Requisition. Well, let's see first. Okay. Create. Okay. Purchase requisition. Now, ME51N, this is our PR and document overview on. In our document overview, we need request for quotations or quotations, right? My purchase requisitions, my purchase orders, request for quotations. Okay. And our plant is AA42. Execute. Okay, we have 6011. It's already there. Now it will automatically pick up the. It's not possible to process. I'm using this function. Okay. View details. You enter a document that cannot process using check the document number you entered. Okay, the document number is the same, but why is it that it's not responding? Okay, anyways, let's check. Purchase requisition, environment, info record, quota arrangement, source listing. Okay. Station 6011 and yes, document header, no items. Not possible. Okay. AA42 storage location. Requisition tracking number 39010 and purchase org. Okay. Item 10. This is account assignment category. What we are going to order material for what purpose, whether it's a consignment or against an order or for consumption or for cost center. This is the purpose of the account assignment category. And based on that, your transaction, material transaction, if you remember the valuation modifier and general modifier. So we'll take order and we'll take our material, but it would have been good if this RFQ and quotation were accepted for some reason, because I guess it needs releasing. That's why it's not actually picking up the document from there. Okay. Okay. Material by class, material type, all material number. Material group. Okay, class is ROH. Okay, we don't have any values here. Class number, standard document hierarchy. No. Material group is ROH. Okay, ROH1. This is a different material. Zero. Okay. Let's go back and check our quotation first. If it needs a releasing, let's release that first. Purchase requisition. Outline agreement. Contract. 3910. Okay. Value contract 20.11/2024. Purchase AA42 purchasing. Okay. Item category, and this is F. F is for order. Okay. And reference to RFQ. Okay. RFQ 6011. Okay. Validity start, validity end, payment terms, everything is there. Target value 35,000. Exchange rate is 1. Okay. And messages. Okay. Medium, fax, partner. Save. Enter a partner number 39010. Enter a language, English. Okay. Okay, dispatch line. Send with periodically scheduled jobs, send immediately. Enter. Fax number 001 833 no 8099. Okay. Print immediately. Country PK. Copy. Okay. Save. Contains no items. Okay. Adopt plus details. Okay. Save. GL account. Now, what GL account? What are we procuring? Raw material. For raw material, Of course, the GRIR account is already at the back end. We don't need to be worried about that. And this will take care of the raw material purchases. Okay. And RM. Okay. Text is not valid. Inventory raw materials. What else do we need? We don't need anything. Enter profit center. Okay, we need a profit center also. A profit center is always maintained in the material master as well. Come on. Come on. I think it got stuck over here. Okay, plant 1 and 2 P1. No, that is not the plant or okay, just a second. Let me find out OKKS.
सर कोई भी दरार ही नहीं डाला, सबने अपना पार्ट रोल किया हुआ है, बस आपस में बातचीत चल रही है। इस तरह की चीजें नहीं बोले आपस में।
Okay, profit center. Okay, we have central office. We'll take this. Okay, now this is done. Save. Value contract created on number 4603. Okay, contract is created. Okay, now let's release it. Release code. Of course, we will have to define the release codes at the backend for contracts, but let's just go with this one. This is 10 release group set release, and purchase org is 8842. Purchase order per PO date. And what are we looking at? We're looking at a contract, okay, or RFQ. Request for quotation per date, per PO date, schedule lines, per order, per supplier, purchase documents per supplier, and our supplier is this. Okay, we have 4603, which is value contract. Okay, and execute. No suitable purchasing documents found. Details. Purchasing document 603, purchase organization, and the supplier is 39010. Execute. Okay, it's not the okay, doesn't matter. Go for purchase requisition, create ME51N. Okay, let's find contract 8842, purchasing group, execute, and we have 4603. Is that okay? Let's see this in the next one then.